Hi, in this session I'm going to show you how to seed your database. In the previous session we had created a categories table. Now I want to add some data to my table. I don't want to go to the database and create um, hundreds of rows over there. I just want some dummy data. So to create that, there's an artisan command. So php artisan um, make seed make seeder categories table seeder. I'm just going to use some camel case convention over here. So it has created a dummy boilerplate seeder for us. So if I go here, there's nothing in it. It just extends a seeder. And yeah, now we have to write a code in this file. And I'm going to show you a couple of ways to seed your database. Now there is a already existing database seeder over here, database seeder.php, which you can use to seed your database. So I'm going to show you how to use that first, and later on we can use this one. So to use that, let's say db table, and which is a table, its categories. And what are we doing? We are inserting it. So insert and open and close brackets, and we have to pass the array field over here. Now we have to close this, and we have to supply let me just move this on a previous line just to make it clear. And I want to pass the fields that I have in my database now. So name will be a random name. So I just want to say, for now, just let's use a standard random name, strn, using PHP function. So it will be 10 characters long. And the next one, I want to have slug. For now, let's by the way, these are arrows. So let's use the same random name for now. So I'm just going to say name is equal to random. So this is going to generate a random name. Let's have the slug as well as the name the same, and I'm going to set the visible property to 1. And that's it. Let's run our migration. PHP artisan db seed, and that should work. Yeah, that think that worked, but let's go and check it into our database. So MySQL -u root -p enter. Let's see if use database, disk select star from categories. And here we have sample data. So in this way you can seed your database from this file. You can have multiple seeders over here. Next, I'm going to show you how to move this content over here. Basically it's a cleaner way of doing. So let's just pass this data to this file. So copy this and paste it over here, and in this file let's delete this one, and let's copy this and rename this categories, since seeder is categories table seeder. So categories table seeder, and let's run the same thing again. So db seed seeded. So let's go and check. select star from use tip directive, select star from categories, and we have two sample rows over here. In this way you can seed many seeders in one time. So you just have to add your seeders over here. So it will be, suppose if you have a post tables, then it will be a post table seeder, or if you have a recipes table seeder. You can have multiple seeders in one file, and the definition goes into this.